What if I told you that the most stylish urban scooter of is not a superbike, not an electric hypermachine, but a compact retro-inspired scooter that can completely change the way you move through the city? Meet the Honda Metropolitan, a scooter that blends timeless design, futuristic technology, comfort, efficiency, and premium city riding into one incredibly attractive package. The moment you look at this scooter, you instantly understand that Honda wanted to create something more than just daily transportation. This machine feels like fashion, technology, and practicality combined into one smooth urban experience. The first thing that grabs your attention is the design language. Honda has taken the classic Metropolitan styling and pushed it into a futuristic direction while still keeping its iconic retro personality alive. The rounded body panels, elegant curves, compact dimensions, and premium detailing give this scooter an upscale appearance that looks expensive from every angle. The LED headlight setup now feels sharper and more modern, while the daytime running lights create a futuristic glow that makes the scooter instantly recognizable on the road. Even when parked, the Metropolitan attracts attention because it doesn't look like an ordinary scooter. It feels like something designed for the future of urban mobility. Honda has also introduced several beautiful color combinations for this model, ranging from classy pearl white and matte black to playful mint green and ivory white. There are sporty shades, luxury-inspired themes, and even vibrant youthful colors that make the scooter look trendy and stylish for riders of every age group. This attention to personalization gives the Metropolitan a lifestyle appeal rather than just being a commuter machine. Now let's talk about the riding experience because that's where this scooter truly shines. The Honda Metropolitan is built specifically for city life. It is lightweight, easy to maneuver, and incredibly smooth to ride through crowded streets. Whether you are navigating tight traffic, small parking spaces, or busy urban roads, this scooter feels effortless. The low seat height makes it accessible for almost every rider, and the relaxed riding posture ensures comfort even during longer commutes. Honda has refined the suspension system to provide smoother handling over rough roads and speed bumps. The scooter absorbs vibrations extremely well, giving riders a stable and comfortable experience. Even at slower speeds, the balance feels natural and confidence-inspiring. For beginners, this scooter is incredibly approachable, while experienced riders will appreciate how refined and practical it feels in daily use. Under the bodywork, Honda continues to focus on efficiency and reliability. The new fuel-injected engine delivers smoother acceleration, quieter operation, and better fuel economy than before. This scooter is not built for racing, but it is perfectly tuned for urban commuting. The throttle response feels predictable and refined, making stop-and-go traffic easier to handle. Honda has also improved engine refinement, reducing vibrations and creating a more premium riding feel overall. One of the biggest highlights of the Metropolitan is fuel efficiency. With rising fuel costs around the world, riders want something economical without sacrificing style or comfort. Honda understands this perfectly. The Metropolitan can travel impressive distances on a small amount of fuel, making it one of the smartest choices for students, office workers, city commuters, and everyday riders. This scooter is not just affordable to buy, it is also incredibly affordable to own and maintain. Another area where the Metropolitan surprises people is storage practicality. Honda knows that city riders need convenience every single day. That is why the under-seat storage compartment has been optimized to carry essentials like bags, groceries, small helmets, or daily items with ease. There are also practical hooks and compartments that make carrying personal items much easier. Small details like these completely transform the ownership experience because they make the scooter genuinely useful in real-world situations. Technology has also received major attention in this model. The digital display now looks cleaner, brighter, and more futuristic. Riders can quickly check speed, fuel level, trip information, and important notifications with excellent visibility in both day and night conditions. Some variants are expected to include smartphone connectivity features, USB charging ports, and smart key functionality, bringing premium-level convenience into the compact scooter category. Safety has also improved significantly. Honda has equipped the scooter with advanced braking performance and enhanced tire grip for better confidence in wet and dry conditions. The lightweight chassis combined with predictable braking gives riders greater control in emergency situations. LED lighting improves nighttime visibility, ensuring that other vehicles can easily spot the scooter in traffic. Honda's engineering philosophy has always focused heavily on rider confidence, and the Metropolitan continues that tradition beautifully. But perhaps the most impressive thing about this scooter is how it changes your mood while riding. There are motorcycles that deliver adrenaline, and then there are machines like the Metropolitan that deliver peace. Riding this scooter through the city feels relaxing, stylish, and enjoyable. It turns ordinary commuting into something smooth and satisfying. Instead of fighting traffic stress, you begin to enjoy the journey itself. The compact dimensions make parking almost effortless. In crowded cities where parking spaces are limited, the Metropolitan becomes a huge advantage. You can quickly slide into small spaces, move around traffic with ease, and save valuable time every single day. That convenience alone makes this scooter incredibly attractive for modern urban lifestyles. Honda has also focused heavily on build quality. Every panel, switch, button, and surface feels refined and durable. The paint quality looks premium, the fit and finish feel polished, and the overall scooter gives the impression of long-term reliability. This is important because buyers want a scooter they can trust for years, and Honda has built its reputation around dependability. The Metropolitan feels like a machine that can handle daily use effortlessly while still looking stylish over time. And let's be honest, this scooter has personality. In a market filled with aggressive, sporty designs, the Metropolitan stands out by being elegant, charming, and modern at the same time. It feels friendly, approachable, and sophisticated without trying too hard. That balance is extremely difficult to achieve, yet Honda has managed to do it perfectly. For younger riders, the Metropolitan becomes a stylish first scooter that feels modern and premium. For working professionals, it becomes a practical daily companion that reduces commuting stress. For experienced riders, it becomes an efficient secondary vehicle for quick urban rides. That wide appeal is one of the reasons why the Metropolitan continues to remain popular generation after generation. The Honda Metropolitan proves that small scooters can still feel exciting, luxurious, and futuristic. It is not about extreme speed or overwhelming power. Instead, it focuses on comfort, efficiency, design, technology, and real-world usability. Honda understands that the future of mobility is not only about performance, it is also about simplicity, elegance, and smart transportation solutions that fit perfectly into everyday life. And when you combine all of that with Honda's legendary reliability, beautiful styling, impressive fuel economy, practical features, and effortless riding experience, the result is a scooter that feels almost impossible to dislike. The Honda Metropolitan is more than just a city scooter. It is a statement about modern urban freedom where style meets practicality in the smoothest way possible.